Let's put together the most beautiful vanity that I just got in the mail. Now, I like to do things on my own, and this honestly didn't look that complicated because most of the furniture already came pre-assembled. And yes, this chair did come with a vanity set. I didn't even have to worry about buying a chair to go with my vanity, which was super awesome. See, this is what I mean by the majority of it was already assembled. I did not have to put any of this together. I just had to take out the handles and screw them in the proper direction. Only my little drill attachment in my hand, I got everything put together perfectly and was able to set my vanity up exactly where I wanted it in my room. And now onto the most fun part, which is the little details. I loved being able to decorate every single drawer and part of my vanity. A lot of it is still open because I'm a little overwhelmed because I've never had something super nice like this before that didn't break the bank. So I was super happy to be able to really go in and make my vanity mine and showcase my eyes with a little peekaboo mirror. And it also has a ring light inside of it, so I'm able to do my makeup perfectly at my vanity mirror. With all that, I do truly love having a space that's my own to quietly get ready in the morning, listen to an audiobook, and that serves as a perfect place to record some of my videos for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed my little Bob the Builder moment because I love this.